Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on special notification from this snap from your best friends.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the gear button. Now, scroll until you can find the notifications option and then tap on it. After that, you can view the best friend message sounds option. Toggle the button and that's it. This is how you can turn on special notification sounds from your best friend snaps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.